In Visi, when double-clicking on any geometry, you will get various commands that launch. For example, double left-clicking on a face will launch the Surface Analyzer. Double left-clicking on a work plane will open the Work Plane Manager. Or double left-clicking on a circle or arc will allow you to change the radius of that circle or arc. These are all default but can be changed in the system settings. In System, go to right-hand menu and come to double-click. In here, you will find all the geometry along with the functions that are linked to it. For example, Edge is currently linked to Query. However, in this instance, I will change Query to one under Surfaces, and we're going to use Extended Surface. I will click Set Menu Item to Current Element Type and press OK. Now, when I double-click on the edge of a surface, it will launch that command, and I'm ready to instantly extend that surface.